So right now, EV users want for sure higher mileage, good wet, and also good rolling resistance. And of course, would you phase Pilot Sport 5 out also since you have the energy version, which is on top of an upgrade?
No, in fact, those Starlines are designed for consumer who wants to have, I would say, a performance, but a performance that is also responsible. And when we do also our marketing study, we found that some consumer are not only EV users, they wanted also to have the pleasure that you find in the Pilot Sport family, for example, but with a better, responsible performance like energy efficiency and also particles emissions. And for consumers, it's becoming more and more important. And this is a trend that has been designed, and both Primacy and Pilot Sport 5 in their energy versions are there to answer those consumers who want more responsible performance. They know that they have an impact on the planet when they drive, and they know that the tire can have a big impact also in the performance of the vehicle. And they want to be able to choose a tire line that will have a limited impact or less impact than the original tire line. And it's not only for, I want to say, it's not only for electric vehicle. Yes, it provides additional range for electric vehicle, but also for normal consumer user that have internal combustion engine, it will provide fuel economy. And you know that in the date and in the time that we are living, in fact, we think that it's important that consumers see that if they have to choose the tire, because they have to change their tire right now, they have also options to minimize their fuel consumption. And when you have, like in Europe today, when you have a diesel price that is around 2.3 euro per liter, you can save. You can save with your tires, and one tank out of 5 is it's consumed by the tires on your vehicle. So when you have gas prices that are like that, it's more and more important. So that this is also an option that we provide for internal combustion engine for people who want to minimize the cost of fuel and or want to limit their impact on the planet.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.